Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kiniglong ki khubor bam takasni. Kementri khna katunat gakot kakya ka sarkar peng Dr. Bharati Pravin Pawar hakasni pale kala penai karai jong ka sarkar peng ban kentiu sa San Pausit ban puli MBBs ha North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences neighrims. Kala kularu baka sarkar prengkan aya baru ki jingkershan badan kam ya ke Meghalaya bakan sengno ialah ke jong ke medical college. Hadin ke jingwan jengo bad syong jing yalang bishar kam ya ki kam bapher jong ke neighrims ke Dr. Bharati kalaong ngin senang penbun sa San Pausit ban puli MBBS house number 1 bad kan salong no shispasit ha neighrims. Kala pentip baka sarkar pedeng kala aya ke neighrims ya kamang tingka bakon nrius pa aklur tingka hadu menta bakan penhe ya ke medical college but nursing college.
Central government is going to support for the medical college definitely, and we are strengthening, as I said, strengthening neighrims also, and our state is also providing supporting for the next medical college. Some interviews, and we are trying to fill that vacancies, but neighrims is doing good, and we are expecting good doctors will come and join. In some faculties there are vacancies, but we are trying for that. Has been given to all states, and the arrangement has been done. Worried about that, and the government is worried about that. Our focus is to reduce the numbers and to do the awareness. So prevention is better than cure, as I said. So our focus is in the screening at health and wellness center, compulsory screening, and anti-cancer activities. So campaigning for those, and awareness is Jan Bhagidari, as I said, Jan Bhagidari is also important. So awareness and through screening we are trying to achieve. Thank you so much.